Hey guys, Tony here from TonyTechBytes, and this is the Pixel 4a. They sent this over to me. It's in the black color. They call it the just black color with 128 gigabytes of storage. And in this video, I want to surprise my dad with a new smartphone because he's been using the Pixel 2 for the past couple years, and I feel like he's due for an upgrade. So prior to the Pixel 2, he was using the original Pixel, and I would say he's pretty much a Google Pixel fanboy. And his first ever smartphone was actually the original Pixel. So even before that, he was using a flip phone. Yes, before, I think it was like 2016, he was using a flip phone for like decades. And so, yeah, here we go, the Pixel 4a. It's going to be a huge upgrade from the Pixel 2, I'm hoping. So he's also going to get a lot more storage as well. So I wanted to give him a OnePlus 7T on Father's Day from OnePlus, but the phone was too big for his liking, and he prefers just to have smaller screens. So the Pixel 4a mostly resembles the Pixel 2 in terms of size. And this is going to be a lot better for him because he just prefers this form factor. Well, how am I going to surprise him when I'm pointing a camera at him? Well, I am planning on telling him that I have to return this back to Google and that they want some opinions on it before I actually send it back. So he uses Pixel devices, and it would make sense to ask someone who uses Pixel devices on his thoughts on this Pixel 4a. So I am hoping he doesn't suspect a thing, because obviously this excuse does kind of make sense. And I also already filmed this segment already, which is the next part of this video where I actually gave him the phone. But the audio unfortunately cut out, so I have to re-record this intro as well. So yeah, I already know the outcome of the video. I'm just letting you all know that the audio might not sound as good because I actually had my iPhone recording as well, just in case something like this happened. And what do you know? Something like that happened. And by the way, if the audio does sound echoey, if it sounds a lot worse than my actual mic, it's the iPhone audio. You're gonna have to excuse me with that one. So yeah, technical difficulties. Please subscribe and like if you enjoyed this video. So yeah, let's go right into it. Pay attention. Okay, hey guys, Tony here, TonyTechBytes. This is my dad, and this is the Pixel 4 that Google sent over to me, and he's currently using a Pixel 2. And how long have you been using it?
I've been using it for the past,
I think 2 years.
What, two plus years.
And prior to that, you used the...
I used the other Pixel.
Yeah, it was the original Pixel.
The original.
So I would say he has a pretty good background with using Pixel devices. Wait, so what do you enjoy about using Pixel devices?
Well, it's very informative. It has the information that I need. It's relatively quite simple to use, and it holds the easy to charge, usable for what I need it for.
Mm-hmm. And would you say the camera is pretty good as well?
Yes, the camera is quite well, and it can also film, or not film, but
record video.
Record video.
Yeah.
Quality is good, frames good. I mean, it's everything that I could use it for.
Would you say that your Pixel 2 is slowing down in 2020 standards?
For me, it's okay.
Okay.
For me, it's okay.
But would you want a newer one in the future? Like a Pixel 5?
Yes, I think I would be looking forward to that.
Okay, then...
For new technology and
here.
new... well, thank you very much.
Oh. Yeah, I lied. They didn't say I had to return it.
Really?
Yeah, they
So
said
I
I get to
can
keep it.
Really? I like this Pixel. Oh, this is a new one then.
Wait, open it.
Oh, let's open it. Wow.
It's pretty much the same size too.
Yes, it is.
And I already peeled it.
Well,
So
okay.
it just looks messy. But I'll
That's
just
all right.
help you put it together later.
Okay.
Alright, so thank you all so much for watching this video of surprising my dad with the new smartphone. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe. And yeah.